You want me to open it?
Yes.
Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining us. I am so excited to show you guys this brand new toy from CHEERFUN. This learning alphabet is a perfect learning toy for my little explorer. Are you ready to open it? You want to open it? Okay, let's see.
Let's open the present.
Let's open your present.
Yeah. Wow! Look at that!
This is a cat.
Wow, it's really cool, Mommy.
This is pretty cool.
Wow.
Hopla.
That's a really cool cat.
Okay.
There it is. Wow! Wow, really cool cat, Mommy.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool cat. It comes with 3M tapes and a hook that is easy to place on the wall if you don't wish to use screws. All you need is AAA batteries to start with. I am placing 3M tapes along the sides of the product so it stays nice and flat once I stick the product onto the wall. I have used a screw instead of the hook that the product came with simply because I know my daughter. She's only 2.5 and she loves taking everything apart. I'm pretty sure you parents know what I'm talking about.
Press a button to hear the letters sound.
Put the elephant.
Okay, push the elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant!
Learning the alphabet is surely an important learning milestone in every child's life, and this toy has a really clear and very simple way of guiding my daughter to the right way of saying and identifying words.
The doggy.
Dog.
Dog!
1.
Wow! Yeah!
This toy is teaching letters, numbers, high-frequency everyday words, and nursery rhymes without my daughter even realizing that she's on a learning mission. My daughter is still learning to talk, and since we are a bilingual family, I always need an extra help with the correct pronunciation. We speak multiple languages at home, and it surely gets confusing for her from time to time. As you can probably tell, my daughter's favorite part is definitely the singing. This product is a great learning tool not only for home but also for daycares and preschools. It is definitely designed to make learning fun and entertaining. CHEERFUN Electronic Alphabet will make a great gift for this holiday season. Not to mention that they have a big selection of educational toys for your child to choose from. Unicorn. Let's find a unicorn. Where is it? Looks like a horse.
Oh,
Please try again.
horse.
Good.
Good job.
Giraffe. When you put it in no more. Just stop it a little bit. 3, 4, 5.
Definitely check them out, and once you choose a product, please don't forget to use my discount code LauraCode for an extra 10% off. I will link this product down below with a discount code for you guys to use.
Wow!
Where is dog? Push it.
Finger, Mommy, finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing and trying out video. We enjoyed playing around with my daughter's new toy and taking you guys along. We truly appreciate all of you guys for watching, for all your sweet comments, and of course for your support. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you soon. Bye!